Become a Microsoft specialist by learning about Word, Excel, and PowerPoint.
Become a certified Microsoft Office specialist as you dive deeper into Excel and prepare yourself for college and careers.
The goal of this class is financial literacy. Learn how to budget and save for your future. Learn about the world of travel and tourism. Learn about cruise ships, hotels, and other service industry areas. Learn about imports and exports and the financial markets overseas. Learn to be an entrepreneur and how to set up your business. You will learn about human resources and other managerial aspects of being a manager or owner. Earn college credit while learning about how to operate your own sports franchise. Learn the basics of the sports industry. Learn about promotions and marketing strategies to attract fans. Welcome to the real business world. Work with classmates to develop a business plan and manage your business in the virtual market.
For students grades 10 through 12 who wish to try specific on-the-job experiences, the internship serves as an extension of the classroom and consists of a non-paid supervised career experience.
A student will build their academic, technical, and professional skills through work-based learning experiences. A student may participate in a paid general education work experience program and earn 1/2 credit for 150 hours of work or 1 credit for 300 hours of work.
Learn about stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and online trading. Learn about the role corporations play in the American market. As a follow-up to stock market and taxation, you will learn about the global market. Learn the basics of law and the different branches of law. Learn about contracts, courtroom strategy, be part of moot court. Take control of your financial future with accounting. This class is designed for the future accountant. If you are choosing to major in accounting, this class is for you. You will learn about business and commercial law. Analyze your contracts and torts in your business. Understand the principles of marketing. Learn how to use social media in the marketing world.
The course will focus on different forms of business communication, which include letters, memos, newsletters, and email. Microsoft Word will be a focus, along with customer service protocols and practice. Students will complete an industry standard skills assessment and will also have the opportunity to earn a Microsoft credential. Students cannot take this course in computer concepts and applications. This course will be a part of a New York State program of study.
In the college real estate law class, which is dually enrolled with Long Island University, students will be prepared to take the New York Real Estate Salesperson Licensing Exam at the age of 18. This course will concentrate on the real estate business, specifically focusing on the Long Island and New York metropolitan areas. Real estate instruments, brokerage, finance, appraisals and valuations, property management, marketing, and government financing are a list of some subjects that will be covered. This elective is available for juniors and seniors. For any additional questions, please contact Ms. Carnesi.